it's Gemma from Xobuya here. We are going to show you how easy it is to schedule in a quote for a new client with the Xobuya app. I am in the office and have received a new inquiry. From the main menu, I click the search icon and type in the name of the person who is making the inquiry. You can see this person doesn't yet exist in our app, so we are going to create them. On this screen, complete all the mandatory fields. You also have the option to switch on or off communications and marketing depending on the client's preferences. Press quote, then you will be asked for the address of the client and other information before you can proceed to the next screen. You are now ready to book the quote in and will be taken to the calendar to confirm the time and day. You will see the app creates the appointment for you, and we have brought over all the client's details, as well as any special instructions about the appointment for the salesperson attending the quote, as all this information will appear in their calendar. Then, simply drag and drop the appointment to suit the client's desired time and to match your salesperson's availability. Events are color-coded by person, so you can easily see who is available and when. And you can, of course, edit the event manually. This one we have assigned to Dave. Let's put this in nice and early for him. Now we can confirm the appointment with the client with the click of a button, which sends SMS confirmation. Done. The client has SMS confirmation and the appointment has been assigned to Dave and appears in his calendar on his device.